So this time I actually have the yes, this time I actually have this Apple Watch out, and this is the Apple Watch. That's the front, the back. I think the back is looking good. But I was trying to turn it on before, and like I had unboxed it earlier. I just really wouldn't turn on, and I don't know what to do if it won't turn on, because it has a battery and everything located inside of it, but then it's just, the Apple Watch. So, I'm gonna turn it on. If I want to turn on the Apple Watch, you're gonna wanna turn it on first. So would I. But I said it happened before when I tried to turn it on. It wouldn't even turn on the screen. It didn't even show the Apple logo on the screen. Thing is that I don't have an iPhone. So it looks, so I'm gonna show the manual. This is the manual for the Apple Watch or the iWatch, and it says iTech. But on it, it says everything just right there. It says power on and off, key home, hold down to, says to turn it on. Basically, hold down the power device, I don't know, the phone. That's just the manual for it. And that's everything else that it says. This is the Apple Watch though, that I have. If it is now D12. And so whenever I get it to turn on, I'm gonna do a review type of thing of it, maybe on a video, but as of right now, it's really not working. Whenever I press the power button, power button.